Many trainers claim to desensitize horses, when in fact they are doing pretty much the opposite by using a method called flooding. Flooding is a repeated presentation of a fear-provoking stimulus in a context where the individual cannot escape. So for example, chasing a horse with a plastic bag where the animal is stuck in a round pen or attached to a lead rope. Flooding is rarely successful. It causes brain fatigue and the horse either becomes highly phobic or shut down. The use of flooding is highly unethical. One alternative to flooding is called habituation. Habituation is a form of learning in which the individual original response to a stimulus decreases after repeated presentation. So for example, imagine a horse grazing in a field. Suddenly, the wind blows a plastic bag into the field. The first time the horse sees a plastic bag, he may spook or run away. But as time goes by, the horse's reaction decreases until he eventually does not react fearfully to the plastic bag anymore. So to compare habituation with flooding, habituation roughly looks like this, and flooding roughly looks like that. The main differences between the two are that flooding is unethical, not really effective, and the horse first becomes more sensitized to the fearful stimuli before shutting down. Now, for certain situations, you may want to use a technique called systematic desensitization. Systematic desensitization is a training method that consists of exposing the individual to a weaker version of an unpleasant stimulus in order to increase his tolerance to it. For example, if a horse bolts when meeting running and barking dogs, he could first be introduced to a small, quiet dog at a distance he is comfortable with. Movement and sound can be progressively added later on in the training. For articles on human science-based horse training, check out fairhorsemanship.com. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos on horse training, behavior, and welfare. If you want to support my video, check the Patreon link in the description below. Have a beautiful day and I see you in the next video.